VTNR stock, Vertex Energy Inc. stock. So the stock is rallying within a longer term bearish trend, but it's also underperforming the S&P 500. As of Monday the 26th of June 2023, the company indicated that it had completed its first commercial sale of renewable diesel produced at its Mobile, Alabama refinery, the same refinery it bought from Shell. The company said it sold about 110,000 barrels of renewable diesel to Idemitsu Apollo Renewable Corp, a subsidiary of Japan-based Idemitsu Kosan. So the Houston-based Vertex said it remains on track to increase renewable diesel production to about 8,000 barrels per day by the end of the second quarter of this year, from the current rate of 7,700 barrels per day. The company in late May began producing biomass-based diesel at the former Shell refineries acquired in April of last year, 2022. So okay, but with the quarter has just ended, maybe things have changed. Maybe that's why we have started to see this rally. It's reaching a 52-week low. I want to believe, is this a 52-week low? Let's see, $5.31. 5.31. okay, yeah, that's a 52. This is a 5.42. so this is 5.31. I want to believe this is a 52-week low. So it reached a new 52-week low as of the 21st. That's 21st was Wednesday, the 21st of June. And come the next trading session, it began to slightly rally, I believe, but since that time it has continued to rally. Just on one occasion it moved sideways and has now crossed over its 20-day moving average. So interestingly enough, it has had this sort of movement, this sort of spikes above its 20-day moving average. The most significant of that happened, the most prominent and the most significant was the one in that began in mid March. That was a prolonged one. So many days of it really showed strength around that period and dwelled above all of its moving averages for a reasonable length of time before it began to decline. But we have also seen that this is also the first time since April that it has risen above its 20-day moving average, and since that time it hasn't it has only dwelled above that moving average. It has only closed above that moving average 3 times once. It has only closed above that 3 times once, and but that spike of early April was the first one after that huge rally, after the two huge the two spikes of April, of March, as a matter of fact, 2 spikes of March and early April, early March and early April. So but since that time as well, since early to mid April, it hasn't it has only closed above that 20-day moving average twice. I mean, it has only closed above that moving average okay, let's say that is 3 times, about 4 times. So this is going to make it for 6 times now, 6 times. So it doesn't have a very since early to mid April, it doesn't have a very good record of dwelling or closing or sustaining its strength above its 20-day moving average. So the coming sessions will be a good test to see if it's going to dwell above that moving average for at least more than 3 sessions. Anything comparable to the spikes of early March and early April will be good. It will be something. But let's see. So as things stand right now, we can go on to provide you with the Fibonacci projections. We have upper projection of 6.34 on its daily chart, 6.69, and then 7.63. but there are also downward projections of 6.1, 5.95, 5.73, 5.52, 5.17, and all the way down towards 4.22. So given all that has been, given its history since early to mid April, one would probably be a bit apprehensive, expected to probably cool off at some point. It has been rallying since the 23rd of June. That is the best part of, I would say, the best part of 5 trading sessions. 5 trading sessions. It's just one of the sessions. It just moved sideways. Even at that, it was still a rally. It was still a rally. You can clearly see that here. So given all of that, it's about roughly 6 trading sessions of gains for the stock. So it's natural to expect a retracement from the stock, but if it continues to rally and continues to show strength, that'll be good. If it's going to cool off and consolidate all of those the rally, that's good. I'll probably continue. That'll be good. But just given its short-term history, expect it to cool off. Expect it to retrace towards where its 20-day moving average is, of even below its 20-day moving average, which is currently at its 20-day moving average stand right now is at $5.9, and also there's also a Fibonacci projection there, 5.93. So just right around there's a good chance it might even retrace all the 5.9 as of 5.9 is okay. 5.9, yes, there's a projection there. 5.9 roughly is 5.91 roughly. Yeah, so there's a projection there. There's a projection, a Fibonacci projection. So expect the stock to retrace towards those levels and even below. It may provide yet another buying opportunity. Okay, so see what you make of VTNR stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.